There are plenty of real estate market updates or financial advices when it comes to home purchases. Most of this information out there focuses on the big picture and the overarching steps. Today, I want to specifically talk about unexpected situations that are often overlooked by home buyers and hidden costs associated with the purchase, so you don't get any surprises. Danny Lau here from Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and family with financial success through real estate. Being prepared is half the battle. When it comes to home purchases, being aware of what the journey will look like will allow you to move forward with confidence. Here are 4 critical lessons to watch out for. 1. Beware of your closing costs. Closing costs are a bundle of fees associated with your home purchase that are paid at the closing of a real estate transaction. The closing costs amount will vary widely based on the city you purchase in, the types of property you buy, the loan amounts, and the type of loan you choose. The bundle typically includes, but not limited to, appraisal fees, escrow charges, title insurance, credit report, homeowners association document, prepaid property tax and prepaid interest, etc., etc. There are no hard and fast rule when it comes to closing costs, but a rough estimate for your closing costs is around 2% of your purchase. Consult your lender or realtor to get clarifications. 2. Multiple visits are encouraged. In a competitive market, due to such high demand, it can sometimes feel overwhelming to visit the listing only once, but forced to make such a large financial decision on the dot. The simplest tip I can offer is, don't feel rushed. Revisit the home. While agents certainly don't want to harass the sellers, we encourage buyers to revisit the homes as many times as needed to make the right decision. We understand it's going to be a place you call home for the next few years. Do not be afraid to revisit as many times as needed. 3. Budget time and money for repairs. There are maintenance costs associated with home ownership. If you purchase a brand new build, at minimum, you will want to make sure you have enough in your budget to furnish the home. If you buy a resale home, it is even more important you understand their wear and tear to the home. It will take time and money to transform the house from the day you get your keys to the day your vision comes to life. Do not be frustrated with the process. If it takes longer than envisioned, be patient. It will be worth it at the end. 4. You're not guaranteed to love your neighbors. Your community is often as important as the home you're living in. A beautiful home with less than ideal neighbors can turn a dream home sour really fast. I always encourage my buyers to visit the neighborhood they're purchasing in the evening times or on the weekends, so you get to see the community dynamic when everyone is at home. And once you move in, a kind gesture to your immediate neighbors, such as sharing homemade brownies, can help establish rapport and trust. Home ownership is a fun journey. Don't let the unexpected ruin a rewarding experience. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoy my video. Please take a moment to like it and hit subscribe. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. We can hop on a call and discuss how we can achieve your real estate goals. This is Danny Lau. See you next time.